There we go. All right.
All right, we're back.
We're back, everyone. So we got winners round 2 doubles. We have Blurb and Weffelz versus iModerz and SDX.
SDX going Bayo here because he's a scumbag. iModerz going Cloud.
Because he is also a scumbag.
Hey.
So we have, the classic Villager Ganondorf combo. All right. Well, that's game 1.
Okay.
So.
All right, so that's game 1 right there. Really, just a really good stuff by both teams.
Oh, yeah,
like
absolutely.
The stocks were flying. It was actually kind of disgusting.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
How quick.
There were like 3 Ganon sides. It was disgusting, actually.
I couldn't believe it.
Yeah.
But we're going to go right here into game 1 again on
Part
Smashville.
2,
yeah. Game 1, Shippuden.
Everybody's just a little bit older. And
yeah. Oh, this is. I am predicting a complete invalidation of that Ganondorf.
Yeah. Oh, okay. All right. Well, complete invalidation of.
He's building aura.
Yes,
that's what he's doing.
Yes, it's a very classical move. It's a. Oh wow! He tried to up smash the Ganon foot. Does not work for him.
SDX actually has a really good Bayo. It's kind of annoying.
It is. Well, I mean, like, whenever good players have a good Bayo, it's like, which is most of them, it's super annoying. He reads that roll with the F smash. I guess read is a strong term because, I mean, you roll in, F smash is coming.
You can easily react to that. It's Ganon. He basically tumbles like a sack of potatoes.
Oh yeah.
Oh wow. Okay.
Cross slash that, he says.
Yeah. Don't. All right. That is the Wizard King.
Yes.
Don't sleep on him. But
no. Yeah. You don't want to do that to him.
You'll be all right.
So Weffelz, though, did lose his first stock, but...
Blurb. He flew too close to the sun. He got burned.
I was about to say there was a stock lead for Blue, but not anymore.
I don't know what's... Oh, boy. I mean, we're still 4 stocks. I mean...
Yeah, I mean, iModerz is on his last, but I mean, of course, you can just take it.
Yeah, but SDX hasn't really been touched much.
No. He's been okay, to say the least. So up tilt hits his own teammate. There's Weffelz.
Poor Weffelz.
He's gonna get juggled. Ooh, okay.
Yeah, Blurb really wanted it.
Yeah.
He really wanted it, dude.
Ooh, no.
Okay. All right. He wanted the rage reset. That's what it was.
Oh, of course, yes. Yeah, he wants to really get those combos in.
Oh my God.
Okay.
This is
goofy. This is really goofy so far.
Yeah.
Like, we have a Ganon that spiked the Cloud. We get a Cloud that killed himself. We got... All right, so Blurb off stage now, trying to recover. But Weffelz...
Crispy back air there, but not crispy enough, unfortunately.
Cross slash, he's gone.
Yeah, he's gone. Get him out of here. He's done.
Get him out of here. Ooh, wow, nice F-tilt. Going to save his teammate, and he's dead.
Oh, wow. All right, so the Lloyd Rocket coming through from downtown.
Wow, he has to take a last stock. Ooh, he could have Ganon-sided him.
Okay, all right. This is actually...
scary for them now, for Blue team. I mean,
yeah,
we're pretty even.
One Ganon side, and actually no, I don't think they want the 1v1 here. They definitely don't want the 1v1 here. Oh no, Blurb.
He went too low.
Yeah.
He's gonna get saved.
He's gonna get saved.
Teammates, well done. Okay.
Yo, SDX was actually low-key in a dangerous position there.
Oh yeah.
Like good on him for going low and just using the bullets, because otherwise that Ganon was ready to kill him off the side.
Oh yeah. So that's going to take out SDX.
We're in a 2v1.
We have a 2v1. iModerz by himself. Okay, the tilt. The aerial.
Oh, the balloon.
Just misses it. The balloon. Rolls in, gets grabbed, up air. iModerz in a really bad spot here.
Yeah, dude.
Oh, boy.
Think about this, man. All he needs is just kill one of them.
Yeah, just kill one. I mean,
he knows where he's at.
Goes for the cross slash.
Oh, boy.
Okay. Weffelz knocks his teammate off.
Yeah, they're both on stage here.
I gave him some extra time to charge some limit, which is good for iModerz here. Oh, down tilt, knocking his teammate away. Not what you want. Another down tilt knocks iModerz up.
Oh, all right.
Blurb! Down air. Takes him off the side with a down air. And Blurb and Weffelz take an unexpected game 1.
That was all right. So I'm gonna be the first to say sorry to headphone users that are watching this.
Yeah.
The sound of the spaghetti exiting Blue Team's pockets must have broken the sound barrier. It must have been a sonic boom. If you're deaf right now and you can't hear me, I apologize.
Yeah. We could send you sign language. We'll put it up on the screen for you later.
But like you definitely could have.
Yeah, I mean,
I don't know about that one, bro.
I don't know. That was wild. So
That was a wet and wild one. And we're all right. So he's
game 2 on Town and City.
iModerz is going Fox.
He started off with a taunt.
Well, yeah, he's playing Bayo.
I mean, yeah, of course.
I think they
guess it's customary.
they know what's up.
Yeah.
Like this is.
Oh my God, Blurb.
This was like when the Bills play the Patriots and they're like leading in the first half.
Yeah. And they're like, we're gonna do it. The Bills are gonna do it.
And the Patriots are just in the locker room, like, hey guys, you want to just win? Okay.
So that's what blue team's looking to do here. Carrying him up is SDX with his Bayo there. Ooh, down airs. Cannot get that. Ooh, saved his teammate technically, I guess. I mean, the F smash was coming from Ganondorf. Probably would have avoided it, but
Probably.
There it is, the confirm on the other side. But
Another taunt by SDX.
after taking Weffelz off.
And you know, Jim, that is a shameful display by SDX there. You know, to have some respect for the game, have some respect for your opponent. You know.
Oh, no respect here. The back air comes through.
I remember back when I used to go to tournaments. Back when listen, this was back when John Madden was coaching. All right, when I used to go to tournaments, if a guy taunted, we took him out back and we showed him what's what. You don't touch the D-pad because we couldn't remap our controls back then. You know, these guys now they got these controllers and the wireless controllers. I had a 64 controller for the longest time, Jim, so we didn't taunt. It just wasn't our vocabulary. So
truly wasn't viable.
no, we don't do things like that.
Ooh, okay, they're both gone. You got red team on their last stocks. And
Where are
blue
your
team,
stocks?
Yes, blue team is looking mighty fine right now.
Where are your stocks, red team?
My goodness. This is a complete 180 from last game as Weffelz getting carried, and so is Blurb. SDX carried him off.
I don't think this is a 180.
No?
I think this is a 360, but red team is moonwalking away.
That's fair. It looks like it. They're styling. Especially SDX right now. I mean, doing what he needs to do.
They know what's up.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. Like the first game. All right. Okay.
Stretcher coming through. Almost takes
when
away,
is Bayo ever gonna get stretchered? Okay.
There we go.
Big punch there.
The big fair. Big claw.
We got Melee Stratos in the back yelling.
Oh, carries him up, and there he goes.
He is super dead.
Weffelz is gone. Blurb
so is
only left the taunt
a
here
taunt from
iModerz. Taunt from SDX. He gets witch-timed the up air, and he's going to go.
He's not dead, you turkeys! Stop hot dogging! Kill him!
The up smash comes through.
Bro, I hate these kids.
Yeah. So he got witch-timed, up aired twice, up bead, also hit by the afterburner kick. Survived.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
So,
yeah.
It's looking like we just might go right back into this.
Yeah.
I'm not thinking we're going to see any character changes or anything. Yep, here we go. We're going to Battlefield for Game 3 here in Winners Round 2 at MISFIRE.
Oh, boy. All right, kiddos. We're going to Battlefield.
Yes.
Here's why we're going to Battlefield.
Yes.
It's got 3 platforms. It's Game 3.
I mean, it only makes sense, right?
Only makes sense, please.
Illuminati confirmed. So, nice little grab there. No, he wanted to go with the up B. He wanted to carry him all the way up there after the back throw from iModerz. And he gets it right there on Weffelz. It's SDX carrying him up.
That footstool.
SDX just bullying Weffelz right now. Like chill
just
out.
let him down. Get off of him.
He just cut off his teammate.
What are we doing?
SDX is like, you know what? You need help. I don't think they do, though. I mean, right now.
All right. So what? SDX is just. He's playing fast and loose.
Oh, absolutely. And iModerz getting knocked off stage. He's got to try to recover. Does make it back to stage.
Big illusion there.
Oh, my goodness. And Blurb. Well done. Oh, try to go for the Ganon side, I assume? Probably not. I mean, he has %, so that would be kind of dumb.
SDX only has 25%.
My goodness. Weffelz. What did Weffelz do? Oh, the down air. Did he get 3 turnips on him?
Probably.
He's turnip that boy.
Turnip boys.
Carrying him up. Blurb is dead. Blurb is dead.
Yeah, there's no way.
No,
Blurb is all kinds of dead.
Yeah, and the taunts come out.
All right.
We're doing Bayo things.
Enough.
We're doing.
Listen. Here's the thing about Bayo's taunts, right? And I think this is the secret to why Bayo is actually top tier. No other character can cancel their taunts like Bayo, right?
Yes.
But if they could, that would completely wreck the meta. Somebody taunts you and you don't even have a chance to punish. Imagine how demoralizing that is.
It is.
I'm pissed.
Really is.
I'm pissed.
Yeah, I'm mad. I don't even have the controller in my hands.
I'm broiled over here, dude. You know what? This really fries my bread.
Does it?
No.
Okay, fair enough.
You ever have fried bread?
You mean toast?
No, that's toasted bread.
Is it? Oh, wow. And I think Blurb is dead.
Why
he saved his jump. All right.
Why is bread the only thing that can be just classified as toast?
He's dead. He's dead. Oh, no, he got saved by his teammate again. And he's going to get the up air and almost take SDX off the top. That is called teamwork, my friends. He's going to do it again. He's dead.
No.
He's dead.
Yeah, he's super
the
dead.
up air comes through. I like the thought, though.
I think the thought is okay.
I mean, you got to save your teammate. Is all I'm saying.
It's the thought that counts.
It is. Okay, so the dash attack. Oh, okay. SDX is dead now. And, red team only down by a stock. I mean, percentages on blue stocks are really good, though. So, I mean, it's the grab. Probably should have been an up smash. I mean, he was just kind of holding them there for him.
Okay, up tilt.
Yeah, up air. He's dead.
Oh, yeah.
Now,
all right. Well,
red team on their last stocks.
He wanted it.
Going for the home run ball.
Who are you hitting with that?
Oh, Weffelz.
He's trying to hit a whole grand slam.
Every time I'm looking over at SDX, he's just beating on Weffelz, and it's just not nice. I don't appreciate it.
No, Villager, is Villager a kid? Oh! All right. No, end the game. They lost.
It's over. Whatever. It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. Your taunts are invalidated.
Congratulations to Blurb and Weffelz for winning the tournament.
Oh my goodness.
Ah, boy. All right, we're going to cut to another commercial break here. This match is also sponsored by Animal Crossing and the Villagers Mayoral Association. Donate to that charity.
Yes, of
They're
course.
trying to find homes for all the misplaced Lloyd Rockets.
Yes.
It's actually really sad.
It is a sad situation. It's, they say 4 out of 5 Lloyd Rockets actually don't have a home.
Could y'all kill him? Because, are
we going to time?
I'm just saying. I got places to be. I'm in this bracket, too. I have places to be. If y'all don't...
he couldn't pop him.
Couldn't pop up balloons. This is how it begins.
Yes.
We are witnessing the greatest comeback in Smash Doubles history.
Oh, could you imagine?
I believe.
So, Weffelz, look at him really do anything.
Weffelz has got sauce.
He does.
He's got syrup.
This is the goofiest. Okay, the grab. Oh, he's looking for the up smash. Didn't get it. Looking for the throw up smash.
All right, I'm gonna go get some pizza, and when I come back, hopefully Weffelz is dead.
Okay, gets a grab. He's gonna beat him up. Wow, this is like. Just kill him.
Yo,
it's been like,
bruh.
It's been like
are we going to time?
We're going to time. He almost killed him with the bowling ball.
Almost,
but almost only counts in
How many bowling balls do you think Villager actually has? Because you only
apparently a pocket full.
How many do you need?
I mean, I have 2. Which time gets a grab? It's don't you ever do this.
At this point, just stop recovering.
Yeah, he's just getting slapped. He's just slapping him. He's just slapping him. Oh, it's so brutal.
Dude, they're just keeping him alive for their own selfish wishes. This is like when your dog is very clearly sick and you don't want to just listen,
exactly.
Just take him out back and do what you gotta do. Oh boy.
Oh, the crowd is against them now. It's just like, this is a max rage villager though. Let's not
this
beat
is
around the bush here.
He's buried.
Okay. He's getting slapped again. This is like when your mom finds you after
stalling?
After 3, I would assume, right?
After 300, that's how it is in Melee. I don't know how it is in Smash 4.
I think it's still here. I think it's still 300, question mark? Oh my god. Oh, he's at 202. He's still trying. I will give it to him. I will give it to him. This is tenacity.
He should be dead so many times over. Oh my god.
This is tenacity.
Why did Fox have a BB gun instead of an actual laser? Oh
God.
my God. Let's go! He's dead!
The comeback is real. We got a
minute and a half
max range villager.
left. He's got max rage. Max rage villager is the best character in the game, ladies and gentlemen. Weffelz is out here.
He's out here.
The crowd is behind him. They want it so bad. He could
do it. He's almost at 300. We're going to see Stalin here.
300 bang bang.
We're going to see some Stalin. Just throw him. Whoa, we're almost there. 300 is stalling, right?
Yeah, well, we'll see. We'll see what the rule set says. Yeah, I'm pretty sure 300 is stalling.
Don't get the 300.
Bang, bang.
Bang, bang.
What if they know that? I feel like they know that.
There it is. Yep, kills him at 301 with a forward throw. He's dead. That's not how this works.
Shut up,
die
Alvin.
at 301.
Shut up, Alvin.
Wow.
So, 20 minutes later, SDX and iModerz. I can't believe you guys would do that to me. I gotta commentate that whole mess.
So brutal. So brutal.